What's up, guys? We're here at Orange State Park again, doing some off-roading. We got the whole crew. We got Josh, right, with his wonderful Tacoma right here. We got Elvis here.
Yeah, we're out here
with the Ford Mobile right there, easy detailing.
2001, bro. It's just still going.
Yo, it's busting this trail up. And then we got Chris here. He got his vehicle right here. This is what do you call this thing again?
It's a DJ Mavic Air 2. Second
called?
version. The DJ
I thought it was
Mavic Air
called
2.
Osprey.
Yeah, it's an off-spray. It's an experimental military technology.
So we were doing some, we went through one mud pit. It hasn't rained recently. So, you know, the trucks aren't that dirty today compared to last time. Elvis's first time here with this Ford Explorer. Putting it through its paces. You know, getting accustomed to the trail. You know, he's all stock. So am I. And then you know Josh's truck. I think the last time you saw his truck, he didn't have this upgraded tire. He got BF Goodwrench now. He also has, I think, an additional 2-inch lift from the last time we went off-roading. So it definitely helps. He can definitely get through these nice mud pits that you're gonna see a lot better than I can. So how you like these tires, bro? Was it worth it? Was it worth it?
I know people hate on ATs, but this shit does fine during the mud.
So we want to get some drone shots of the cars, but before I show you that, we went off-roading a couple weeks ago with some guys that we met off a Facebook page, Toyota, Tacoma, 4Runner, Tundra Facebook group. But we had to meet some other guys there too, you know, it's a Dodge Power Wagon, we got a Jeep Wrangler, a Ram pickup, and FJ Cruiser, you know, our Tacomas. The guy hosted the event, his name is Josh. He got a Tundra. We got a Colorado ZR2 in the back. It's a pretty awesome truck. And then we also got a nice F-150. Are you trying to drift? Trying to drift?
You stopped in the middle. Hold up. Steve, hold up.
So this guy got stuck here. I got stuck in the same mud hole. I didn't get any footage if I was, you know, stuck in the truck.
Come on, bitch.
Yo, is this the same brand as the one you got?
No, this actually comes with it when you buy it. So
Oh, what? Dang. Oh, because it's the Power Wagon? That's like,
power wagon bushing lockers, disconnecting sway bars.
that's pretty dope.
It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, it's coming. Even got the electric.
lot of water. Oh, dang. Hey, it's a good thing you wear flip-flops.
Yeah, you good.
Damn. Real mud truck now. There you go. Nice. Ooh.
Go!
Oh. He's moving.
He's pulling you. You need an anchor.
Come up!
Yeah, he's getting pulled in.
I'm too light.
Yeah.
You good?
He almost got hit in the face. The mud kicks in. Now, I'm ready when you're ready. Here's time for the drone footage. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.